Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty products to bring you the most comprehensive and honest reviews. Today we're checking out the LUVME Hair Loose Body Wave 5x5 Lace Front Wig, a truly glueless, pre-plucked, and pre-cut wig that promises to elevate your hair game. This wig features a body wave texture designed to deliver that natural, effortless glam. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Now, when it comes to wigs, there are a few things we all look for: comfort, a natural look, and versatility. The LUVME Hair Loose Body Wave Wig is a 5x5 lace front that checks those boxes. It's made from premium virgin human hair, which is a big selling point for anyone seeking a high-quality, durable wig that mimics the feel and look of natural hair. The body wave pattern adds some gentle movement and volume to your hair without looking too stiff or overdone. This wig is advertised as being completely glueless, meaning you don't need any adhesive to secure it. That's a big plus for anyone who dislikes the hassle of glue or tape. When it comes to setup and ease of use, this wig really shines. The beauty of this product is that it's pre-plucked with a natural hairline, so there's no need for additional customization. The pre-cut lace further makes this wig a breeze to install. All you need is to pop it on, and within 30 seconds, you've got a salon-worthy look. This is a huge time saver, especially for those of us who don't have hours to spend on styling. It's ideal for daily wear, whether you're heading to work or out for a casual outing. In my testing, the wig held up well in terms of comfort. The fit is secure, and the wig stayed in place all day. There's no slippage, and the cap construction is breathable, making it comfortable for long-term wear. As for styling, this wig is a dream. I styled it in just a few ways: loose waves, straightened, and even pulled back into a ponytail, and it handled it all beautifully. However, I did notice that the lace could require a bit of extra blending for those with darker skin tones, but this is pretty common with many lace front wigs. Now, let's go over the pros and cons. Pros: truly glueless design. It's incredibly easy to wear, especially for beginners. Pre-plucked hairline saves time and effort, providing a more natural look right out of the box. Premium virgin human hair offers a soft, natural feel and is versatile for styling. Comfortable fit. The breathable cap ensures comfort for long-term wear. Natural body wave texture adds volume and movement, giving a sleek yet voluminous look. Cons: lace blending. For some skin tones, the lace might need additional work to blend seamlessly. Limited length options. The wig is designed for neck-length hair, which might not suit everyone's preferred style. Maintenance. As with any high-quality human hair wig, it requires regular care to keep it looking its best. When it comes to value for money, the LUVME Hair Loose Body Wave Wig sits at a higher price point due to its premium virgin hair. However, considering the quality of the hair and the ease of use with its glueless design, it offers a good investment, especially for those who want a hassle-free, natural look. In comparison to similar wigs on the market, this one stands out due to its pre-plucked hairline and truly glueless fit. Some other brands may offer cheaper options, but they may not match the quality or ease of use that this wig offers. As for build quality, the hair feels soft and looks real. It's durable, but just like any human hair wig, it will require some upkeep. Regular washing, conditioning, and gentle styling will keep it looking fresh for a long time. I didn't experience any shedding or tangling during my use, which is a huge bonus. Unfortunately, I didn't have any direct customer support interactions to report, but the brand is trusted by over 1 million customers, and its reputation for quality and ease of use is reflected in customer reviews. If you're considering alternatives, there are plenty of wigs at a lower price, but most will use synthetic fibers or lower-grade human hair, which might not deliver the same natural feel or styling versatility. If you're willing to spend a bit more, this wig could be a solid choice. To wrap up, the LUVME Hair Loose Body Wave Wig delivers a natural, glueless solution for those looking to elevate their style with minimal effort. It performs well in terms of comfort, ease of use, and overall look, but the price may be a consideration for some. If you're ready to simplify your wig routine and want something that blends seamlessly with your natural hair, this one's worth trying. If this review was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so others can find this video too. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. If you have any questions or if you've tried this wig yourself, drop a comment below. Check out the link in the comments for more details on where to get this product. Goodbye for now, and remember, stay beautiful, stay beautyistic.